We're told that people want truth and honesty. That when we're getting into a relationship, we should show our likes, dislikes, insecurities, and availabilities. We should put all the details in front of people so they can make a logical decision about us. The law of covetousness exposes this as a lie. Understanding this law will help you in your relationships, career, and business. As humans, we're often affected by the grass is always greener syndrome, never satisfied with what we have, and always wanting something different. We are marked by the continual desire to possess what we do not have. If you give everyone the facts, they'll quickly grow tired of you and search for the next shiny object to entice them. We don't want to possess, we want to pursue. This is why men are desirable when other women desire them. In relationships, if we follow the advice of honesty and just reveal everything about ourselves, we take away any mystery. Once someone thinks they know everything about you, their value and respect for you begin to lower. Your task is to create an air of mystery around you and your work. Focus on others' repressed desires and exploit their fantasies. Strategies for stimulating desire. Know how and when to withdraw. Presence-absence is one of the strongest ways to stimulate desire. Too much presence suffocates. A degree of absence spurs our interests. Once you have people's imagination, you must strategically absent yourself. Spark stories and rumors, but nothing concrete. Think about the rumor we all heard as children about how Marilyn Manson had a rib removed so he could suck his own. Where did this rumor come from? No one knows, but we all heard it and it had all of us talking about him. Create rivalries of desire. Make it clear that others desire you or your product, but be indirect in this and never appear to be bragging. In business negotiations, maybe bring in a third party to vie for your services. Dangle in front of people the prospect of grasping the unattainable or the impossible. Life is full of difficulties and obstacles, and letting people imagine their goals is almost like reaching them. To conclude, we need to focus on people's desires and fantasies, and create an air of mystery around us and our work. Think about yourself objectively, so you know what kind of emotions you and your work inspire, if any. Present a mysterious front to people to have them wondering about you. Make it so others have a puzzle to solve when they think about you. This is exponentially better than laying out the facts and leaving no room for imagination. Also, recognize this in yourself when you're thinking about leaving your partner or starting up a new career. Are you just suffering from grass is always greener syndrome? This has been a summary of the law of covetousness from Laws of Human Nature. To see the other laws in this series, click on some of the boxes on the screen here.